In this video, I'm going to show you how you can donate a gold pass to a friend here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want to gift your friend a gold pass, here's exactly how you can go ahead and do it. Quick and easy. First, obviously make sure that you have been Supercell friends with that friend for at least 24 hours, otherwise it is not going to work. Now, to actually gift someone though, you are going to need to purchase the gold pass through the official Supercell store, not through the Clash of Clans app. So to actually go ahead and do that, go ahead and back out, go to Safari just like so, and go to store.supercell.com, find Clash of Clans on here, and then scroll down on this page after logging in, and you're going to see the option for the gold pass. You do have to own it yourself, otherwise you're not going to be able to donate it. After doing so, open up Clash of Clans again, click on the little settings gear down in the bottom right, and then tap on the Supercell ID up at the very top, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. From here, select My Games and find Clash of Clans, and then find your friend's name. Now, if your friends aren't popping up in this section, you can also find them in this friends section here. But if they're eligible and you're eligible, you'll see a donate button next to them. Simply click on that donate, confirm your choice, and that friend is going to receive their gold pass instantly. Super simple and a great way to surprise a clanmate or friend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.